Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Level 2 Beauty Loop box. So let's get into it. So this is the box for July, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Looks like we have a little Clinique goodie. It is the Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. That's what that one looks like. So it looks like it's just like a hydrating, like lotiony, moisturizing serum-y, God knows what. Gel cream. So that is that one. Cute little sample. Next we have the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. That actually looks kind of interesting. Looks like they're going for a little pinky theme here. But yeah, it's actually a decent sized sample of the product as well, and I'm keen to give it a go. I've been trying some Origins products, so that one should be fun to try. Next we have a little sachet sample from Dr. Barbara Sturm. It is the Glow Drops. I don't know if it's like a highlighting product or it's a skincare product. I think it's just like a serum sachet for skincare. That's also something that looks fun to try. And then we lastly have a NuFace Prep-N-Glow dual-sided cloth. So a face wipe. So yeah, that's that one. Since they've stopped including the cards in the box, I can't really tell you anything about these products. They just tell you to go to the link that's listed in the box. So just looking at, all 4 products, I have to say it is kind of disappointing that this is a level 2 box. I would expect this from a level 1 box. It's all skincare. Again, I swear I'm never getting any makeup products in these boxes anymore. It's all just skincare samples. And I'm assuming it's because Mecca just wants people to start shopping skincare because people mostly go there to shop for makeup. I know that's exactly what I do. I only buy makeup from there. But I can see this is just really a marketing tool, and I do understand that. But I had to buy something in order to get the box online. So, I was hoping to get some makeup products, but guess not again. So yeah, none of the products, it's not that I'm not keen to try any of them. I actually am keen to try them. Clinique, I never really tried much from Clinique. It's always great to get masks as well. The drops, that probably wouldn't last a long time, that sample, and the face wipe will get used, but that's only a one-time use, so you can't really gather an opinion on it. But yeah, so that's what I got in my level 2 box for July 2020. Make sure you let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box this quarter, and make sure you tell me, you're level 1, 2, or 3, and what did you guys get. I'm keen to hear if any other level 2s got some different products, or what you level 1 and 3's got in comparison, because I feel like level 2 always seems to get skincare every time. So yeah, let's have a convo in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.